is already like some minutes past 8 in the morning. So I just dropped my kids in the school. So Ugonna was the last person that I dropped the kindergarten. Yeah. So right now I went to one of the bakery here to take some breakfast because guys, I'm damn hungry because I need to go to a lot of places today before I should go back home. So right now I'm still on the streets and I'm just trekking, guys, because my legs swollen. So I needed to take some walk if it can help. Yeah. So right now I'll be going to the bank and to collect some money for my monthly contribution. Yeah, this is how most of African women here around us, like young lady, we just came together to form a group that will be doing like contribution like every month. It has been really helping. Yeah, I think this is one of the major service that we normally do like monthly. Yeah. Right now I'll be going to the bank. So after bank I'll be going to the Lidl because there is something I saw yesterday. They are doing adverts. This is something like toaster because the one I have at home is spoiled last week, so I really need to replace it and I don't want to go to the city. So I'll be going to the Lidl close by our house here to check whether they still have it because they started selling it I think since yesterday. I believe they still have it though. And this morning I'm craving like a corn and coconut. Yeah, so I'll be buying some corn in Lidl because I have coconut at home. I will just cook it. Yeah, as well as I'm craving like yam porridge or plantain porridge. So I'll be buying some vegetable to use it to cook the porridge. Yeah, so this is kind of my morning routine, after I drop kids in the kindergarten. What I normally do to keep myself busy, guys. This week my husband is working a morning shift, so any week that he's working morning shift is always kind of difficult for me because I will literally do everything by myself. So I wake up like 5:30 this morning to get kids prepared, for school. It's really not easy. So yeah, but when you drop them, it's kind of a relief. You have some space for yourself. Yeah. So right now I'm just walking, taking a walk if it can help to reduce this my swollen legs because it's really too much, guys. Please, if you have any idea, what do you people guys do if you are pregnant, if you have this problem, like because in this my 3rd trimester, I think the thing has been so constantly, like since 3 days now. I have tried to raise my leg up while sitting, and my husband have helped me to massage it with some cream, some oil. Yeah, but it's not going down. So that's why I'm taking a walk this morning. If it can help, yeah. I'm close to the bank. I will talk to you guys later. Yeah. See you guys later, guys. Ciao, ciao. Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. So right now, guys, I'm just coming back from Lidl. I went to the bank and I collected the money that I wanted to collect, which I told you guys is for the monthly contribution. Yeah, so after I was done in the bank, I went ahead to the Lidl, which I told you guys as well that because of this toaster, because I saw it in adverts. Okay, but unfortunately when I went there, they have only like this pink and white one, and I needed black one because of the kids. So I have to pick this color, and I believe my kids, they will definitely love this pink one. Yeah, so and I went ahead and buy some stuff. I went ahead and buy corn, which I'll be cooking like right now. So I have to eat it before I go ahead and pick Ugonna, because Ugonna, they normally close like 1. So after 1, they have to come back home, eat. So 2 o'clock, if you have strength, like you can take him back. But sometimes I don't normally take him back, especially if my husband is working in the morning, because it's kind of too much stress for me. Okay, and this is beetroot, and this is spinach that I went to buy to do the yam porridge. This is baby spinach, which I normally use for smoothie with avocado. Yeah, so, and what did I even buy again? So I went ahead and see this pajama. I went ahead and bought it for myself. So all this one is just like boxers for Ugonna. Okay, I saw this bed sheet as well, so I went ahead and picked one This is a white bed sheet. I go ahead and buy bell pepper and tomatoes, as well as, is this one paprika or what? Yeah. So, and when I came back, this is the post that I received. They'll be unboxing it for you to see what is inside. But first of all, let me unbox this important one. Let me see how it looks. Okay. Let's unbox it. So, this is Mano. So, okay, it's just a simple toaster. So this is how the toaster looks like. The one I had before was black color, the one that just got spoiled last week. So I believe that my kids, they will love this one. So this is just a simple toaster, and it's very nice, and as well as very affordable. Let's unbox this Amazon packet to see what is inside, guys. Okay, two packets. So, okay, this is a cocoa butter. Cocoa butter, I bought this because I saw it online. They said it's helpful for when you are pregnant and you are having stretch mark on your stomach or your belly. So it helps as well because it's organic. It doesn't have any bad effect on baby. So I said, okay, let me go ahead and try it, because I think in my belly, it's not that it's stretch mark. It's kind of, it's getting dark. Don't know. I don't know whether it happened to any one of you. When I'm pregnant, especially in third trimester, I normally have this black, is that black straight mark or what? So they say that this cocoa butter is helpful. So I will try it and see if it's effective. That's why I bought it. And then what else is there? Okay, this is a game. This is a Ludo, yeah. I normally play this in Nigeria. So I saw it in one of YouTubers. So I go ahead and search it online, and I got it. And this one is kind of a two-in-one game. Okay, let me see how it looks like. When I showed my kid that I want to order it, they were so happy. When they come back from school today and they see that I have already go ahead and they order it, they will be so happy. Okay. I can play this game like very well, but not really this type. Okay, this one is kind of snake type. I think my kids, they normally love this one. And let's see. Okay, it has the two sides, just as I said before, that is two-in-one. So I love this side because this is the one that I know how to play like very well. This is the accessories that we use to play it, yeah. And this one, you know. Right now, go to the kitchen and then cook this corn, and I will see you guys later. Okay, yeah, because I need to eat this corn before I go ahead and pick it. When I have some, I think 2 hours now, and I do some things inside the kitchen as well. So see you guys later. Guys, our corn is ready. I'll go ahead and off the stove, and I'll take the ones that I'll be eating. Like the smell, you know, it smells like Nigeria corn, but doesn't taste like the same, I know. But they said at all, now worst. at all worst too. So I'll go ahead and take the ones that I'll be eating now. Leave the rest for my kids. So, at least for now, these two will be okay. So I have my coconut here, guys. So So guys, look at it. What do you think? This is exactly what I'm graving today, like seriously. So it's ready. I will be going outside. I don't really want to stay here in the kitchen to eat it. So let's go outside, guys, and enjoy this corn and the coconuts, okay? So guys, this is our corn and the coconuts, okay? So you guys should come and join me, like we are going to eat this together, okay? So let's just bless the food. Amen. So let's get started, guys. You guys should come and join me, please. This is like hot corn. Hot corn, guys. The corn really tried. It's a little bit sweet, not like that our Nigeria corn, but it's manageable. Just as I said before, at all, now worst. Last year I planted the Nigeria corn in my small garden here, and it really did well. But this year, because I was not feeling good that time, that was when I was in my first trimester, so I couldn't even bother to do anything, to plant anything. If not, by now my corn would have even grown. The worst part of it is that that's last year. I did not even, I can keep one to use it like next time. Like I ate everything, so I was hoping that my husband would definitely go home that last year and bring more corn, as in dried one that I'll be using for this year. But unfortunately, because of COVID, he couldn't go home. So guys, I'll go ahead and finish up this corn because it's already like 12. From 12 to 1 is the time I'm supposed to pick a gun now. I'll talk to you guys later, okay? So guys, I have finished one corn and I'm eating the next one. But the problem now is that it is already time for me to go and pick my son, in the kindergarten. So I don't really want to rush the corn like so fast, okay? I need to relax and enjoy it. So I have finished one, and this one I'm still eating it. But I need to go now so that I will not be late. And I will be closing this vlog here. So guys, this is kind of morning vlog, okay? So I will end the video here right now and go ahead and pick my son. Another thing again, this is my swollen leg. Please, if you have any solution, like or anything that I can do to reduce it. Most of people, they say that it's normal, that it's not a problem. But I have tried, just as I said before. My husband has massaged it like most of the time, and I'll be doing workouts. I make sure that I move around. I'm not the type that always sit down. No, there's a lot to do in this house, to be honest. So I don't normally rest, so I make sure that I'm always active, you know. But still, the leg is still swollen. So please, if you have any solution, just write it in the comment section. And when I sit down, like normally, I normally sit in that couch. I used to raise my leg up. So because I saw in the internet as well, people said when you have like a swollen leg, just sit down and use another chair, raise your legs up, that it helps as well. I've been doing that, but I'm not seeing any results. So if you have any solution, please do well to leave it in the comment section. I will really appreciate it, okay? Thank you so much everybody for watching. And if today is your first time, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like, share, as well as the notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, thank you so much everybody for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.